Hello everyone, welcome back. Different setting because we are having a new bathroom after 4 or 5 months without a bath and without a shower. We have this also, it's a guest apartment, and we have our gym here, so I thought I'll film here because in house it's all dust and noise and not a good environment to film, so new environment for the time being. I felt a little bit bad after my last H&M haul because I was rather negative, and I'm very positive about H&M. I love that shop, I love their clothing, but there were some things I didn't really like, and it wasn't that negative as I was because some things were really nice, they looked very good and fitted very good, so it wasn't that bad, but I was rather negative, so I didn't feel too good about it. So I thought I was looking for a corduroy skirt. And no, I wasn't looking, I was looking for the fabric, but I couldn't get a fabric that was corduroy and elastic, and it reminded me of the corduroy from former days that were really stiff and thick and not nice to wear. So I thought, well, then when I can't find a fabric, then I have to buy the skirt in the shop. So I looked at H&M and yes, I found it. This beautiful soft pink corduroy skirt that's elastic with elastan in it. So I thought it's the really right color, the really good fabric that I wanted, and looks rather short, so I hope it's a bit longer, but then otherwise I will put it a bit down and then it's longer to the knee. So I'll try this on and see how it fits. So the skirt, really nice. I have everything in size 36. And it fits perfectly. I'm very happy that I took the elastan version because I already get traumas thinking of the old days corduroy that was always stiff and tight, and that's why I didn't want to buy the fabric and went for the final skirt. Fits very nice. It's a bit short for my taste, but I can pull it a bit down and it's a bit longer, but I don't know if it will stay there. But it's appropriate, I think. I'm of the knee-high boots, so those days are coming again. I'm happy for that. I'm not happy for fall, but I'm happy for the boots because I really like it. And as I was at the site from H&M, I'll always look around, and I found a white dress shirt that I really needed because I have some shirts that are really old and they're just from cotton, plain cotton, without any elastin in, so not stretchy at all, really stiff, and I don't wear them at all, so I could all better give them away because they hang in the closet and I never wear them. So I was looking for a new one, a somewhat silky one, and well, this is a polyester, but it feels very soft, very nice, and I wanted some small details, not too much, no ruffles or whatever, but just some classy small details. And this has a hidden button row with just one gold button on the top, on the collar, small collar, nice sleeves, nice cuffs on the sleeves, and rather plain, but I really like it. I think it's really classy when you wear it with some nice skirt, or this skirt maybe. Yeah, I'll try it on. The blouse, I combined it immediately, but it's really nice with the skirt. I tucked it in because it's rather long for me. It's, I think, about here, so I have to tuck it in, but I think it looks very cute. And this is exactly the blouse that I was looking for, with silky shine on it, and it feels very soft, not like a cotton fabric, and then it falls more nicely, more flowy than when you have a cotton shirt, cotton blouse. So I like this one. I like the golden button here, but because it's now warm, I have left it open. But when you close it, you have beautiful the golden button in the, I don't know if you can see it, in the side. So really nice skirt. I like the blouse, very versatile white blouse with just a little bit extra, like the button row that is hidden already, foundation stain. My story. Okay, very happy with these. And then, as you know by now, I'm a dresses girl and a skirt girl, so I found a dress, of course. and it's a jersey one. It's soft pink, light pink. It's an off the shoulder with elastic in the waist and ruffle, oh, hold it, the wrong side, a ruffle along the skirt. It's very nice, very soft. It's rather heavy. It's a really thick jersey, so maybe not a good combination when you want to wear this in the summer, but I think it will stay long and nice when you wash it a lot when the fabric is more sturdy. So I think I will really like this. So I'll try it on. The jersey dress. I like it very much. Looks very cute. I think you should wear a belt because this elastic doesn't look that nice, but I don't have a belt here now, so I have to do that when I'm back in my room. But it's all elastic, so it always fits. I think no matter what size you have, this will always be okay. This elastic is nice too. Sometimes it's too tight or too loose, but it's really good. You can even lift your arms rather good. It's a rather heavy material, as I already said, but well, it's not too annoying, but it's obvious, I must say that. So, but it's very nice. I don't know if you can see how long the skirt is. It's just above my knee, on my knee. So for most of you, it will be about above your knee, but it's a bit high-low. You can see, or you can see it in the mirror probably better. It's a bit lower in the back than on the front. And I'm wearing my Topshop dupes from Kate Spade, I think, or Karen Millen, I don't know. But it's really nice heels. And I love them very much. Very happy that I bought them from Topshop. So this dress is also a yes. And of course, never too much dresses. So I found this one. It's an off the shoulder with long sleeves, with tie strings on the shoulders, elastic on the waist, and it is white with pink, orangey flowers. Can you see? Yes. Very lightweight, very loose. It's a chiffon. Yes, it's a chiffon over a jersey, a very thin jersey. So it's very flowy, very good for one days that I'm afraid we don't have this year anymore. But next year then, look forward to the next summer. And I think I will really wear this then a lot, so I'll try it on. And the chiffon dress, very cute, like it very much. Fits very good, elastic waistband, so always okay. I think I should wear a belt because this doesn't look so nice. So imagine there is a nice belt on here. Elastic on the sleeve, so you can pull it up a bit, but they will fall over. But then they aren't really long because they're really very long sleeves for me. And when you wear this thinner dress, then you don't want long sleeves. It's really too hot, so you can pull them up because of the elastic. You can take this higher or lower depending on how long a body you have. So very versatile, very nice dress. I think you can really dress it up and dress it down. Some nice jewelry or just some flats. I think always okay. Like it very much, very nice. And what I also was very happy about is that this fall and maybe even in winter, the pleated skirts will be in style again, like in this summer. And although I have already a pink one, a beige one, a grey one, I couldn't resist to buy some more because in fall you have some more fally colors. So I found a grey, almost silvery one, and a green, ooh, it looks blue now, but it's more green, bluish one. And I found these two from Schein, my favorite shop, as you know already. The grey one is very long. The green one is about mid-calf, I think. You will see that when I put it on. They're both really nice pleated, very tight. I hope I can keep this because normally they are steamed in and they will hold its shape even when you wash it. But I hope the quality of Schein is really that good that I can just wash this and the pleat will stay in. I always wash this at very cold temperature. If possible, no heat in the water, otherwise 30. And a very slow program. and no, I don't know, tumble dry. No, it's not tumble dry. What is it in English? That it turns around to get the water out. I don't do that. Take it out wet and hang it to dry or hang it to drip. Then you have the most a chance that the pleats will turn out nicely after your wash. And of course wash it as little as possible, but you can always get a stain, so then you will have to treat it very carefully. But I love these colors, and I'll try them on and I'll show you what how they look. I am waiting for some sweaters to come, and I wanted to pair them with these pleated skirts, but they're not here yet. So I thought, well, I think I'm gonna make another video of how to style these pleated skirts for fall and for winter, with knits, with blouses, with jumpers. So I think that will be another video. Now I'll just pair them with what I'm wearing now, the sweater or maybe the blouse. So here we go, I'll show them. Waistcoat. Oh, I must look. I think we can better show it in the mirror. The grey skirt is very nice, much more silver. As I said, I wanted to pair it with a jumper that I ordered, but I didn't get it, so I took my grey jumper. I think it's very nice. Maybe put a belt on. For me it is a bit too long, so I'm not sure what to do with it, because when I have heels I think it's just long enough, but with my boots that have already rather big heels it is too long, so I have to cut something off, but I'm not sure how much, so I have to think about that. It fits very nicely. It's a size small. It fits perfect, so the sizing is really good from Schein. And the pleats are beautiful. You can wear it with anything. I'll make a whole video out of it, I think, because I get inspired very much of this skirt. Very nice material. I don't know if you can see it or that you see more my jumper. Maybe I'll put it up because it's about the skirt now. Very nice. And the green skirt, also very nice. It's as I thought, it's about half calf length. Best to see it in the mirror, I think. I paired it with my nude boots. I think that looks very nice. And it's very easy to pair it when it's not that bad of weather with a light jumper, and when it goes more to fall or to winter, then you put a black or a dark grey jumper on. But I like it very much. Very nice pleats. Very different color. I'm really not of the blues and the greens, but I really love this color. I think because it's not blue and it's not green. Very nice. This one is a size S also, but it's way more loose. Not that it falls down, but it's loose, so it's a bit wider than the grey one. But very nice. Yes, very happy with this. Thank you, Schein. So these were the pieces from H&M and Schein, and this was a really good success. I think I loved all the pieces. Yes, I loved all the pieces, kept all the pieces. So I think not a haul for a long time because my money is gone now, but I'm really happy with what I found, and I certainly can do the all fall with all these pieces, and I'm very happy with it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. All kinds of getting creative here. Sewing, hauls, hairstyles, or whatever you like to do, be creative, you can find it here. So if you like it, please thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!